Okay, today on the Keto Bistro, we're going to video a little bit at Publix and Kroger, and we're looking at a sweet snack haul. So, of course, easy snacks are the protein bars. So, you want to look on the back. You definitely want to focus on net carbs, but that's not the only thing you want to look at on a bar. You want to read the ingredients on all of these protein bars because you're looking for ingredients that are sweeteners like stevia extract or erythritol. You want to avoid maltitol or maltitol syrup. So this bar does not meet our requirements. Let's see, Lily's baking chips are the best tasting chips and have the best ingredients. Here I don't see any of the milk chocolate. I see the white chocolate, which has a higher net carb than some of the others. I'm not a big fan of dark chocolate, so I'm going to avoid the chips for today. Jello, another thing I look for in Jello. You've got your easy snack pack sugar-free Jellos. So you have 5 calories, but you do have a carb in one of the snack packs, where the Jello brand itself, if you can find the snack packs, I can't usually find those, you're looking at 5 more calories, but you're looking at no carbs. So I usually go with the Jello brand, even if I have to make it. And then yogurt. The only yogurt that I have found that I really like for the keto diet is the Too Good. So they've got the individual cup size portions, 80 calories, 3 net carbs. So they have a lot of different flavors. Strawberry, blueberry mixed. Then you have your Philadelphia cream cheeses. Now, I would avoid the already flavored cream cheeses. They have higher carbs, so you can flavor it yourself with monk fruit or your preferred sweetener. So what I actually decided on, I got 6 items. I decided on the Too Good mixed berry yogurt. Love the texture, love the taste. It was on sale, so that was one of my cold choices, and that actually might be a breakfast for me or a snack. So I'm looking at 3 net carbs for the items that I purchased or fewer on my snacks. So the Too Good fits the bill. I went ahead and purchased the cup size with mixed berry. And then some of the other items I purchased were, I bought a box of the ratio bars. The full bar, it's like a protein bar, the full bar, and it was made with almonds, had 2 carbs, and those are delicious. I haven't tried the lemon that I bought today, but I'll definitely give that a try because the regular almond was absolutely delicious. I went with the Jello that I'm going to have to make, so I can half this and make a half a bag 1 week, and I save the other half and make half of it on the second week. But the ratio bars, I bought a box of them, so I have several. I'll try to get enough to last me 2 weeks when I go. Lily's peanut butter cups, love those. So I spent $17 on 6 snacks that should get me my sweet tooth going for 2 weeks. Now, I will say that I usually every week make some of the candied pecans, and I have a video that shows how to make those in addition to these sweet treats. So let's take a look at the Lily's bar. So the serving size is 2 pieces. So there's 1 serving in here. There's 2 pieces. They're peanut butter, similar to Reese's peanut butter. Of course, they do not taste just like it. They taste delicious, though. This is milk chocolate peanut butter. So total carbs, 16. Take away the dietary fiber, 10 grams. I'm sorry, 8 total. take away 10 and take away 6 erythritol, so 2 net per package, 1 per cup. Calories 170, not bad. I'll eat 1 for a snack. Great fat ratio to protein to carb. But I do want to make sure I check those ingredients to make sure that the sweetener is not a maltol syrup or just maltol in general. Stevia extract is what it is sweetened with. Let's check all the ingredients to make sure nothing too extreme that might affect ketosis. Nope, everything looks good, just like the Lily's chips. Another neat thing, other than the other protein bar, the Think peanut butter protein bar. Now that full bar had 4 net carbs, so I'll eat half of that at a time to make sure I only get 2. Now these are gummy bears, so the whole bag, the entire bag, 90 calories, 33 total carbs. Ooh, that's a lot. So let's look and see. Of course, it is the whole bag, but it's a smaller bag. It's minus 28 dietary fiber. Interesting. So, So number 1 ingredient, prebiotic soluble fiber, chicory root, gelatin. So chicory root fiber. So the prebiotic soluble fiber. So let's talk a little bit about soluble versus insoluble fiber. A lot of people will say you want to go with the insoluble, but soluble fiber actually aids in digestion, and it also aids with trying to stabilize cholesterol in the blood as well as sugar in the blood. So that much soluble fiber might be a good thing if you have high triglycerides. So it looks okay with me. I'm not going to eat, of course, the whole bag at one setting. So those are the 6 sweet treats that I picked up. Easy, quick, go-to snacks that you need. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching the Keto Bistro.